Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you this new product that I received. It's an ultrasonic cleaner, okay? And well, it says here in this part that it has a touch control. It's 304 stainless steel and it has 360-degree dimensional cleaning. And well, what I like about this product, it's that it has the high frequency vibration. So I think it helps to clean very well all the products you want to put inside. And well, it has like a lot of multiple modes. So to clean whatever you are putting it there inside. So I'm going to be opening and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, I already opened it and I'm going to show you what it comes here inside. We have the product, okay? It's like this. And then we have here the okay, this one is the user manual, and I like that this product it comes with this thing to pick up all the things you put inside. And well, I think that it's everything it means. Yes, so I'm going to be opening and I'm going to show you. I'm going to be putting their earrings, but I want to tell you that you can put here inside denture retainers, the head of the toothbrush. You can put your earrings, your watch. You can also put some necklace. I have one here, but I'm going to clean my earrings that they are like more dirty. Okay, so well, you can put a lot of things inside. So I like it because, for example, the earrings that sometimes I leave it there for a lot of time, then they're super dirty. So I think this one it will help to clean a lot. And I'm going to be showing you how like the before and the after, and I hope it works super good. Okay guys, I already have it here connected and I'm going to open it, and well, like you can see here, it has like the maximum line that we can put water, and I have this one that it is 250 milliliters. So I'm going to be putting it all, and like you can see that it's the capacity it has this machine, okay? Okay, I have here my earrings that I'm going to be putting inside, and I want to show you really how dirty they are. Look that part. It's super dirty. Look this one, how dirty it looks, that part. And for example, also look this one. They are horrible, really. So, well, I'm going to open it, okay? And we have this little thing to put them all inside. Okay, I'm going to put it there all. Okay, now that I have all of them there inside, I'm going to press for 2 seconds this button that turn on and off button. Okay. Okay guys, I want to make a little stop in the product because I want to show you how dirty and nasty it looks. All the like the part look, it is super dirty. And well, I prefer to take off the back part of the earring because I think it's cleaning better. Okay, also because you can clean that part, and obviously you're going to need this thing to take them off because when it's super dirty that part. So I'm going to continue cleaning my products, okay, because really they look that it's working super perfect. Okay guys, already this thing stops, and I'm going to be taking it off this one that you know that it was super dirty. I'm going to put it here. Look how beautiful it looks. Really, it's super clean. And well, I also want to show you, I already showed it, but look how dirty the water it is. Look that part. Oh my god, it is super dirty. And look this one. Do you remember that it was like super green? Look how beautiful it looks. This one, I'm going to take this one off, that it was also super dirty. Look how perfect it looks. And well, remember that you can clean a lot of things here inside. Just for example, right now that I clean these things and it's super dirty, the water, remember before using it, clean it another time, like all the product, so that it doesn't contaminate the other thing you want to put inside for the next time. Okay, look this one, how beautiful it looks. Look, they look super, super incredible. Wow, really, it is incredible, this product. And, well, tell me, look that one. Oh my god. It's super clean, this product.